Welcome, my dear students. It's nice to meet you today. Today we have an important lesson. This lesson is abnormals. These lessons will talk about space, stars. You must know everything in the universe. I think we have surprise for you. I ask, are you ready to see that? Yes. The first one about universe. Let's go. Universe. This lesson we need to learn what is the space, the universe. My dear students, the definition for the universe, it's back to the space which contains all galaxies, stars, planets, moons, all living organisms in the world. Now, let's see what happened in the universe. The universe is the space which contains everything. In April 2073, do you think what happened here? Here start to see what happened in the universe. My dear, moons, planets, living organisms, all of them they found in the space. I ask, the universe here, what it contains? I can't see anything. No, we have biggest body in universe. This greatest unit, we must learn it. It's what? It's a galaxy. Yes, the universe has millions of the galaxy. When I say universe, you must contain hundreds of the billions of the galaxies. This is vast celestial bodies of the light. These galaxies, it contains a lot of objects. It's dark around us. I can't catch what is the inside, but I must learn it. It's about 100 billions of stars. I don't know this number is right or no, because it's very far and we can't understand it well. But we have the Milky Way. Milky Way is the spiral shaped in universe. This Milky Way, it's our galaxy. I know that. This Milky Way has elliptical, similar, flattened poles, maybe irregular also, with random in the grouping of the star. These stars, as you see, move and move in the universe and they catch it from the time to time. These stars tell me how can this universe is formed. When I say one of these galaxies, our Milky Way, you must catch it's the biggest unit. We know it, but this not only. As you see, we have billions of the galaxies. How can I find it? How can I see it? It's impossible to do that. But you must know even more the puzzling than the source of the galaxies, power and its crucial facts that all galaxies appear. Why? To be moving away from one to another, every direction. In which direction? I don't know. Maybe east, maybe west, north, south, in any direction. This motion for the galaxies tell us the universe in continuous motion. So, when I say this word, you must know the continuous motion of the universe due to its particle. You see, these arms for our galaxies. We have Chinese star inside one of its arms. Maybe it's our solar system. It's huge. Why we say it's huge like this? Because it contains billions of stars. Do you think stars only in these galaxies? No. We have stars, we have moons, we have planets, asteroids, meteors, meteorites. So, the big name for this word, you can say celestial bodies. It's a good expression. When I say celestial bodies, it means what? It means the universe has different things from the stars, planets, moon, and so on. Universe, as you see, what it contains. How can be like you see? You can say this shape, this forms, it's back to its particles. Catch these particles, this formed. How can it be formed? There is big theory to tell us how can the universe is formed as Big Bang theory. When I say what happened for the depth of the universe, so can you solve this problem? No. Solving its masters in one steps at the time. It's not easy to know that. Milky Way, one of this formation of the galaxies, but we can't catch it easily because it's very, very, very far. But I ask about the structure of the galaxies. Galaxies, as a Milky Way, spin through the universe like celestial bodies. When it's formed together, it formed a huge shape. This huge shape, it means galaxy cluster. Galaxy cluster, it means the big formation of what? Of different stars. So, catch galaxy cluster, formation of the galaxies together to be huge one. But it has fixed and definite shape. Why we say that? Because it's at the center, thick block made of the billions of the density of the substance. These billions density of substance form it together, condense it, and form huge and large galaxy. So the universe here depending on what? Depending on the formation of galaxies. It's not only you have minute particles. These particles are gathered from the billions of years ago and form variation of the shape, variation for the size to catch this huge structure. So, can you tell me what is the name of this structure? Yes, you can say you have a big unit. The biggest unit in our universe, it means galaxy. Had more than 30 galaxies is called together in the local group, gathering before formation. My dear, when they are close to each other for the shape, you can say the beginning of the formation of our Milky Way. You have shape for Andromeda. Yeah, what this word? Andromeda here, it means special galaxy. Yeah, you must know that. This galaxy, it's huge, has millions of the stars. Its particles are closed. The stars here shiny as you see. So, Andromeda, the closest galaxy to us. Why? Because it's one from the basic structure of the universe. Now, galactic variation, the variety, come in the four, the basis important shape. We start to sun. Yeah, sun. Yes, we know. Every sun here, it means our solar system. Sunlight here, it's come from the source of the star. One from the stars, because we have the billions of the stars, not our sun. Yes, my dear, you can say the shape, it's changed from the one to another. Maybe spiral, part, spiral, elliptical, and irregular spiral. Yeah, the shape is differ from one to another. Andromeda, or perspiral, or elliptical spiral, or part spiral. Now, the motion of these galaxies as rotating inside hollow. Hollow, Yeah, whole of the universe. We don't know where is the beginning, where is the end, because it's wide and extended space that contains what? Billions of the galaxies. We can say here it's about 100,000 billions of the galaxies. 100,000, it's a big number and you can't catch it easily. So the end or the beginning of this must back to its formation. You see, maybe it's finished and new galaxy is formed. New universe can be formed. Yeah, we have different parts of this universe. Maybe open, maybe closed. Yeah, my dear. We can make big division for this universe. The far one we can say far universe. The close one we can say close universe. See what we can see through Hubble ultra deep field. Hubble, yeah, this is happened by Hubble telescope. This Hubble telescope tell us the structure for the galaxy of Milky Way. But this not only, we have also a structure of the stars, planets inside this galaxy. Can you ask, what is the important for the Hubble, for this work? Yeah, Hubble telescope is used to discover and explain the structure of celestial bodies. Don't forget this word. Don't say universe here. Universe is not suitable. Celestial bodies from the formation of the universe. Stars and its formation. Galaxy and its formation. So it tells us about the center of universe. Billions of the stars blast from the Milky Way center and revolve more and more rapidly than the other part of the galaxy. 40 years ago, astronauts, astronomers have been unable to see into the inner regions on the core. Why? Because it's hidden by the stars, hidden by the cloud, hidden by the dust, by the gases. So we need important and famous structure to see the inside this celestial bodies. It means Hubble telescope, the famous one. The most surprised discover it the magnetic wire pool, like the structure of the heart. Now we have some notes. The first note tell me the universe is very vast. Yes, we know that. We can say also the sun and earth are tiny parts. Tiny parts? Yes, it's very tiny in the universe. Very, very small. Also, in this point, the number of the galaxies, we see that it's about 100,000 millions of the stars of the celestial bodies. We have a surprise to you. Do you think what this? This is about stars. Yes, my dear, star here, large round bodies, generating a great amount of what? Light and heat. So, no life without stars. Do you know what is the famous star? It's the sun. Catch this now. Stars, it's the same small point as they are millions of kilometers away from us. It's away? Yes, it's away. All universe is away, not the stars only. Now, look at this. We have stars very far from each other. They form, group of stars. Do you think what this will? It means galaxies. This will learn through these movies. Also, you can catch the universe. Universe contain many galaxies, and each galaxy has the scientific shape, special shape. According to what? According to harmony and the other group of the stars in it. So, universe, the wide space, has a harmony shape. We'll learn it through this. My loved students, look at this now. You can see the stars move in the fixed orbit. Yes, the stars move fixed orbits around the center of what? Of galaxy. And the galaxy around the center of what? Of the universe. So, you can say the galaxy has our solar system are found, belong to it. What this mean? It's known as good Milky Way. Milky Way galaxy? Yes, Milky Way. It's back to the word of the milk. Yes, look like a splashing of the milk or satchel, spreading of the satchel, splashing of the milk. Milky Way has this shape. My Milky Way, are you ready to work with us? Why not? Let's see what happened. This is our Milky Way galaxy. When I say especially Milky Way, you can tell me 4 arms. 4 arms? Yes, this is our sun. Our sun is the part of our solar system that is found inside what? Inside one of its arms of what? Of Milky Way. This sun in rotation, Milky Way in rotation. So inside the sun, it gives a special gases, it gives a special heat, and it contains planets, moons. So sun, different type of the planets. As you see, they are called Milky Way inside solar system, which you found in Milky Way, which you found inside good universe, because gravitational force inside the sun help before fixation of the planets, the rotation all time by this speed, high speed, vast speed, make the planet in its fixed orbit. Why it's not fall down? Is not fall down due to high gravitational force of the sun. The Earth, one from these planets in its fixed orbit. You see this explosion inside the sun. But when I ask why there is great explosion inside the sun, this is back to its formation. It made of particles of burning gases. These gases are helium. Good, only no hydrogen by the fixed ratio. The gases for the helium and the hydrogen, it's about from 25% helium and about 75% for good for the hydrogen. What about planets? We have the millions. My dear, let's go to see what happened now. This theory will back to us. It's good and fantastic. You look, what this mean? This it means the stars there, planets closed to what? Sun. It's disappear. It means there is no solar system. This is will happen for the future by different theory, and we explain this theory. This is will tell me Milky Way galaxy, and we said for this case the Milky Way galaxy has a spiral what? A spiral shape. I know that, and I think you understand it well, because it contains about 4 arms. In this time, it contains more than 200 billions of the stars. My dear, catch the important word for the Milky Way galaxy. You can see here the center of this galaxy, a lot of all the stars gather surrounded by, yes, I need the answer. Tell me, small stars, which is located inside the spiral arms of the galaxy. It's important. Also, you can say our Milky Way galaxy, the Milky Way given the name because appears in the sky at night as a splashing milk. It means the milk which is spread. Yes, spreading milk or spreading cetera. I like this galaxy. I think you like it also. My dear, look for this. We have here important one. Do you think what this about? The component of the universe. Component. I think I understood it, and you too. The universe, yeah, wide extended space. Contains what? Contains the galaxies. Also, no number of these galaxies. It's about of what? 100,000 millions of the galaxies. Oh, 100,000. You can say the number can be calculated. It's impossible to do that, but it's easy to say for this case the definition for the galaxy back to these words. Group of stars rotate together in cosmic space by the effect of what? Of the gravity, to be fixed, not away, not be closed. Also, you can say bigger. Yeah, bigger units for the universe. When I ask, give scientific term the greatest unit of the universe, do you think what this mean? Galaxy. Easy word. For this cases also, you can say the galaxies. It means gather in clusters. Clusters? Yeah. Clusters. Clusters, it means groups. Also move away from each other in continuous motion because it's particles in continuous motion. We can see this rotation in the system around the center of the universe. So, rotation back to the center. Solar around the galaxies. Galaxies around the universe. Center of the universe. Now, cluster of the galaxies back to what? I said it before and we saw on the move. And when I say group of the galaxies that rotating together in the cosmic space by the gravity has a fixed shape as Andromeda, as Milky Way. This is especially because it contains what? Sun and our good solar system. My solar system, it's for us, yeah, but it's contain of what? Contains of good, one big huge star. This star, it means what? It's a sun, sure. Only, no, stars, planets. But this not planets only. This is for the past. But nowadays, the number of the planets increase. Revolving around what? Revolving around the star, which rotate around what? Rotate around the galaxy, and the galaxy rotate around what? Around universe. Easy lesson and wonderful lesson. Look here, our solar system here, including planets. The important one is what? Earth. Planet Earth, which we live. Yeah, we live where? On Earth. There is no life away of the Earth. The distance between stars are very large. So, the distance in the far space are not measured in kilometer. So, kilometer is very far. We need a special measurement. It's called light year. Light year? Yes, light year. Do you think what this light year? Light year here it means distance covered by light in 1 year. And it has a fixed number. This fixed number, it's about 9.467 by 10 power 12 kilometers. It means good 9460000 million of kilometers. Close or far? Close. And the universe very far, so it's not easy to arrive for this number. My lover, look at this. You have an example now. When I ask you this question, what is meant by distance between the sun and the star is 3. 3, yes, 3. The star is not close, sun is not close. It means light year, yes, light year, but look at this. Light years here, it means distance, which equal what? 3 by, good, 10 billions, 9.467 by 10 power 12 kilometers. Equal what? Equal huge number. It's about 28.401 by 10 power 12 kilometer. What about to go there together? We can't do that. It's impossible to do that because it's far. Light year. It's visible rays that help us to see light from different parts of the world. Light year. This is the sun. It's the main source of the light on the earth. The rotation of the moon, planets around the sun, celestial bodies around the sun give us, yes, light. This light, it means solar. We arrived to the end of the program. I think you need to stay. Yes, I see that. These lessons, it's important. These lessons make you imagine what is beyond the world, what is in the space. So, my dear, try to use these moves to understand these lessons well. This lesson not depend on the definition only. No, you must understand everything in the space. How can you do? You can do that by these interesting moves. I'm waiting you to tell me what you understood. My dear, see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.